Many were woken up this morning with an earthquake. Not long after that, reports came through on earthquake apps and tsunami sirens were sounding. Initially it was reported as 7.3. I think that's now been downgraded to 7.1. Tsunami threat is for 0.3 to 1 meters at sea level. So far things look like they're settling down. Reports coming through on the radio seem like most places are okay. I guess we'll see a lot more reports tomorrow morning. It looks like hopefully nothing too serious. But good to see some taking the threat seriously and moving to higher ground.